How to clear notifications on iOS 17. So, first and foremost, you have to make sure you guys are on the current software update of iPhones. As you can see here, let's just go back here. Go to your general and go to software update. Click on that, and you have to update your phone if it's outdated. Now, if you see an update now, click on that. And as you can see, I'm already on my iOS 17. Now, let's just go back to our home page. Since you want to clear your notifications on iOS 17, it's actually similar with the previous update software. You have to go here to your left side of your phone, here, and then you have to draw up to down. That's this way. And then here, you'll see all your notifications here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is, you will see here your notification centers, right? Now, there are a lot of ways you can clear your notifications. Erase your notifications. To do that, you can actually drag it right to left, all the way to delete that. And the other way is to just drag it in the middle. Sorry for that. Drag it in the middle and tap on clear here. But since we want to clear note, if you want to clear your notifications, like all of your notifications, then here's the answer. You'll see the X mark here on the right side. Click on that and just confirm clear. And as you can see, you have successfully cleared your notifications in iOS 17. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.